Hey guys, wife just scored these at the local Walmart. $9. Original price was $39.98, and they were $39.98 when we were there the other day. They're bringing in some more, so we're going to go down there and try to pick some up. It's 72-hour, 32 servings. Always want to challenge these 1,800 calories per day things, because a lot of times that's not right. Looks like we got brown sugar and maple. That's probably like an oatmeal. We got macaroni and cheese, which is definitely good if you've got kids. Teriyaki rice, I'm always a fan. Never tried this tortilla soup. And an alternative milk. You can see what they're going to give you here. Sorry about that glare, guys. This is what you're going to get. Looks like 8 servings of an oatmeal, 4 macaroni and cheese, 4 teriyaki rice, 4 tortilla soups, and 12 servings of milk. That's not bad, guys. Alright guys, we skipped actually getting it out of the packaging because, you know, that's not really all that exciting. Brown sugar. Yeah, they're like everything else, you gotta boil water for it. Well, you can put them in the pouch though, so it's gonna be a lot like a Mountain House. That's pretty good. One of those. There's your powdered milk. There you go, combine 2 tablespoons. Looks like you can add it in the pouch like the other ones. There's your mac and cheese. In this little bag, they call it 4 servings. I'll tell you right now, guys, you've seen me in my other videos, I'm a fat guy. I'll eat one of these by myself. So there's a tortilla soup. And teriyaki rice. Same thing. You can put them in these pouches though. That's really awesome, guys. That's something we liked about the Mountain House. That's what you get, guys. We're going to open some of these up, but I mean, for what you found them for, you usually can't get a pouch this size of Mountain House. So I mean, this is a really good deal. If your local Walmart has it, you got